Reel it in, I got the bag. Bitch, sit on my face, I attack that. Sit on my face, I attack that. Bitch, sit on my face, I attack that. Choose.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chrissy, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys how I shoot my TikTok videos, because I know a lot of you guys have been asking. I want to see the behind the scene. I want to know exactly how you shoot your videos. So if you guys are one of those people and you guys want to learn and just chill with me and vibe with me, then go ahead and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel right now, like this video and comment down below, turn your post notification on, and make sure you guys follow me on my TikTok at Miss Chrissy and my Instagram. Alright, so this room right now, just know it's gonna be super messy, guys. In the area where I'm at right now, it's like super hot. It is 78 degrees and the AC's off, lights on in front of my face, and yeah, we're just gonna thug it out, making sure that I get everything done. I'm not really gonna care if my makeup's gonna be all melty at the end of this video, because your girl is really trying to work hard right now, and I know a lot of you guys have been asking about this video, and today is gonna be that day. So since a lot of you guys have been asking why my TikTok video looks like a commercial, why it looks like an ad, why it's such a good quality, is it your phone that you're using, what kind of phone do you use to shoot your TikTok? No, I'm not using my phone. I'm using my Sony a7S Mark II right here. I freaking love this camera. It sucks because I broke it. I don't know if you guys have seen my video, which is the vintage lookbook that I did. Long story short, let me just tell you guys all about it. I have my tripod, I have my camera on top of it, I have a mirror right here, and it was so windy out there, and then the mirror knocked it over and it broke. So I'm so sad, but it's okay, it still works. That's all that matters, right? So yeah, I'm definitely gonna get it fixed. I don't know when, but definitely soon, because I don't want this to get even worse. But yeah, so the lens that I'm using, this is the brand Zeiss, and this is a 24-70mm. And what I love about this is you can, you know, make it wider, you can zoom it in, and make sure when you shoot, even if you're indoor, it doesn't matter, make sure you use any filter, because especially if you have lights on you, you don't want everything to be so blown out. So definitely invest into that. So that's that. And let's see, this is the tripod that I use for my video. This is super heavy and I love this. By the way, guys, I will put the link in my description down below so you guys can go ahead and get yourself some nice camera. Obviously, you don't have to shoot TikTok videos with this camera, but since I know a lot of you guys have been asking what it is, I'm just gonna put the link in my description down below. So yeah, so here we go. This is the tripod. What I love about this, obviously, it's so heavy. So I'm just gonna show you guys exactly what it looks like, and then obviously you can boom boom boom, and then boom boom boom, and this part right here, you can even, you know, loosen it. So here's what it looks like. All right, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna put the camera up here just like that. Yeah, I love this tripod, and the brand for this is Manfrotto. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So it says Manfrotto. I don't know if it's backwards or not, but yeah, this is the tripod that I use to shoot my video, and that's why I love this tripod. I will put all the link in my description down below if you guys do decide to get it. Obviously, you don't have to unless you do have the money and you really want to, like, you know, you want to have like a nice quality for your, even just, you know, for YouTube videos or Instagram. Doesn't have to be just for TikTok. This is an investment for me because I've been wanting to have a better quality on my video, and also, you know, I shoot with other brands too, so I want to make sure that, you know, I give them like the best quality ever. I have my first video. This is exactly what it looks like. Well, I'm gonna have to fold my carpet just because I don't want to show the carpet, and it really inspired me, so shout out to you. Make sure when you do this, make sure you're in a good mood, and make sure that you remember exactly what happened in the video. You don't have to do the same exact thing that she did. Have your own twist to it. Just have fun and just be confident, make sure that you know exactly what you're doing. So let's go, let's try this out. That was good. Oh, all right, but that is gonna fall again. Make sure you guys remember your moves, exactly how you are right now. Hopefully I look like this when I'm done. Alright, let's go ahead and check the camera right now. I am having a problem trying to review it because look, you can't even see my camera. How can I see it? Alright, I'm just gonna play. I don't know if you're able to see that. I can't even see. Alright guys, so it is time to change clothes. Whew, that was so hard to review. You guys seen it? It's so hot. I'm so sweaty. I like this outfit though. Alright, so this is what the outfit looks like. It's really nice. This one is way too big, but it's cool because I can fold it up. That's what I love about like baggy clothes. You can always just like finesse your way and like just tuck it in if it's too big. Or if your pants are way too baggy on you, just tie it with your shoelace. It'll be all good. So I'm wearing my Nike socks. I definitely need a new pair because this is all beat up now. It's so hot, but I can't complain. I gotta work. Every time I caught myself complaining, I always just go back and be like, yo, be grateful that you have this opportunity. Ooh, can we just talk about this outfit? First of all, shout out to Vandy for making this happen. Ooh, Vandy, they basically like do custom design, and that's what I love about them. They're super unique, and I love the quality of the clothes. Yo guys, let me get a little bit closer. Isn't this so freaking pretty? Oh my god, look at the shorts. Look at the details on the shorts. Bye. I'm gonna put on my shoes. Yo guys, this is my beat up Nike Air Force, and I cleaned it with the Oxy. It looks so fire. It looks like a brand new shoes again. I don't know if you guys like up to date with Supreme, but they basically had a collaboration with Supreme. So I was like, you know what, since I wasn't able to get it, sold out so quick, I'm gonna just get my own one on Macy's app. So that's exactly what I did. Yo, this outfit, oh, so fire. Set, go. I think I'm already here. Alright, ready, set, go. Alright, let's try it again one more time. Because I'm not happy. If you're not happy, just keep trying, keep trying. No one will ever know. Alright, okay. Ready, set, go. Alright, should I do it this way, huh? If you're gonna be doing TikTok forever, for a long time, you want to do this for a living, make sure you just have fun. Even though you're doing this by yourself, it's totally fine. Just, you know what I mean? If you can support other people, make sure you support yourself, love yourself. Make sure that you're in the right mood when you're doing this. Make sure do not half-ass anything. Put in 100% work and you'll get it back in return in the long run. So make sure that motivated you. And yeah, I'm running out of breath now because yeah, I have another video that I'm gonna do after this. So I realized I kind of want to make this a little bit longer and show you another video that I'm doing for TikTok. So for this one, the idea that I have is not really my idea, it's someone else's idea. So shout out to
Mommy, look at me. Oh, I'm killing it. Whoa. Swinging side to side and I'm killing that. Whoa. Damn, your girl so fine, but her breath is like.
And whenever I do my TikTok videos or my YouTube videos, I normally just look for inspiration and just pull out some outfit that I already have. Obviously, this is my Instagram. I get inspiration from me. Wow, that's so weird. Can't believe that I'm actually saying that, but no, the main reason why I'm going back on my Instagram just to make sure, because I already have the outfit. I don't want to have to style a new one, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just gonna wear the same exact thing that I already posted on my Instagram. So I want to show all my Jordan 1s that I freaking love right now. So I'm probably gonna pull out my purple court, what else, my red satin toes, my pine green, what else do I have, my royal toes. Yeah, I think those 4. I think all I need is 4. So let's go. First of all, let me just talk about this shoes that I got recently. I definitely want to do a TikTok video on this. And for those people that are asking what size I wear, this is a 5.5 and 5.5 youth. Yeah, so this fire red shoes though, this 5, it's fire. Let me just show you guys. So that's what it looks like. You can tell it's not beat up yet because I recently just got it. I went to the mall. The main reason why I went to the mall because I had to buy someone's gift, and yeah, I got myself a gift too. I think this is the satin toes right here. For those people that are asking where I got this from, actually this is from Goat. They gifted it to me, so shout out to Goat for if you're watching this. It's kind of beat up already because it's my favorite shoes, but it's all good. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna create some content, and that's all that matters. I should definitely take it out of the box already and put it on the floor so I can imagine myself wearing it. Whew, fire. One right here, this is the pine green. My boyfriend actually got this for me for our anniversary. So pine green right here. This one's kind of hard to style because it's green and black. If it was like white instead of black, it'd probably a lot easier for me to style, but it's really hard to wear this. You can't really like wear it with like black pants because it'll just blend together and not really stand out, if that makes sense. So the next one that I have, this is the Royal Toes. Fire! I know that I have to do a style video with the pine green. And what else? Royal Toes. No, I actually done that already. The satin toes actually. So this one's fire. Love this. This should be the thumbnail right here. Oh wait. Thumbnail. Well, this is the last one that we're gonna need. Ooh! It's so fire, guys. Every time I pull this out of the box, it just makes me so happy. So the next thing that I have to do, I have to pull out the outfits that I need for this. I'm gonna wear this outfit for the pine green one since I already have it. So my boyfriend ended up pulling it out. Guys, so this is what the setup looks like. My boyfriend's gonna help me out with this so we can hang out. Right, babe?
That's right.
It's a lot faster when he's here.
So now that I see everything, can you help me adjust the shoes real quick?
Yeah.
So everything needs to be turned to the right.
Alright guys, so we're gonna change the plan, the ideas for this video. What are we gonna do, babe?
So we watched their video and they legitimately stepped on each shoe. You think she wants to step on her babies like that?
No.
You think she wants to step on the shoes that I bought her?
No!
So we're changing it
No.
up. We're gonna do our own style.
Yes, it doesn't have to be the same. You see what I mean? Like I told you guys, have your own twist to it. It doesn't have to be the same exact thing that you saw on TikTok.
Innovate, don't imitate.
Yeah. Just be original, be unique. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? You feel me?
Rolling. One more time.
Do I?
Don't like,
Okay.
like, and action.
Alright guys, we are finally done. Sorry guys, my camera died. I wasn't able to move because I have to stay in one spot for you guys. But yeah, I am finally done. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you guys like this video, comment down below, turn your post notification on, subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram at Miss Chrissy because I post there every single day, and on my TikTok because your girl is really like, yeah, make sure you guys follow me, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.